So we're in Orchard Hills in Winter Garden, and Sylvia lives here. What are some of your favorite things about this neighborhood?
I absolutely love raising my family here. We have some amazing community events.
Oh, like the Halloween one, right?
Absolutely.
Yep.
Everyone's a friend, and Disney is in our own backyard.
It's right over there. If only there was a 5-bed, 4.5 bath home available with a 3-car garage.
There is. Discover why Orchard Hills is the epitome of Florida's sought-after lifestyle and one of Winter Garden's most sought-after communities. When you buy a house in Orchard Hills, you're not just purchasing a beautiful home. You're becoming part of a vibrant, welcoming community where the warmth of neighbors makes Orchard Hills the perfect place to call home. Enjoy inviting amenities, lush landscaping, and walking distance to just about anything, from A-rated schools to shopping and dining. Orchard Hills has something for everyone, any age and any interest. Welcome to 5615 Mangrove Cove Avenue. So if you want to schedule a time to come see this beautiful home, contact me. I'm Sylvia Kinkella.
And I'm Mark Rawmaker, and we're with the Home Squad at Serhant.